What's good, guys? Christian here, back with another video. Today I will be doing a POV vlog using the GoPro, and we're just gonna do a little drive, hit the twisties up with the car, you know, some pulls on the highway. I just wanted to shoot just to get a video up for you guys, and I wanted to try something different like the POV. But let's see how this goes. If you guys like it, let me know. If you don't, let me know still. But yeah, I'm gonna just for the majority of this video, I'm just gonna try to be quiet so you can, you know, try and make this as realistic of a POV as possible. And there's my radar. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna end this POV just because of the traffic right now. Supposedly there's an accident and it says I'm gonna be in traffic for 16 minutes. So that will be the end. I'll record if anything happens. Yo, look at this guy, freaking hater. Now you're not getting not getting a tag. So we got this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Come on. Look at this. What's called? Stop! What is wrong with you? Say it out loud. I dare you. Anyways,
Dude,
so we're going to a car.
Imagine this collapses right now.
Yeah.
Dude, alright, you literally have a silver car. I don't even want to hear it.
And you have a bent wheel and a great car.
Yep.
No, it's not. What? No, my wheels look better.
Oh. My wheel's bent and it looks better.
No, it doesn't. The stock, nothing will ever beat the stocky.
This one looks so good.
Nothing will ever beat the stocky.
This orange is actually it's a new mod.
Oh my god. Yo, call them. I'm about to leave. Like,
Yeah, let's leave.
I bet we out. They were rushing. You see? You see? And you don't say anything.
Well, you were taking so long that they had time to go. Slowing down, I was like,
Hi. Yo! Oh, never mind.
Harry.
What?
There's something wrong with the sound.
Yeah, everything's wrong.
No. You were coming to slow down.
Oh, no, but still, it's
Alright, so now it's my turn and George's turn?
No!
Why?
Just don't put it in
Experience manual driver.
Dude, I drove this car before.
You're not taking this.
Alright guys, so we're at the car.
Don't even call it a car.
Fanboy, Christian
Don't even
fanboy.
We're at
call it a car.
Fanboy off what?
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah, don't call it a car.
Alright guys, so we're at a car show today.
Nope. Oh my god. Why don't you show the fucking
Oh, it's Adam. Look, is that Adam?
Oh guys.
Yeah,